Hey riders! Welcome back to Bike Review Hub. Number 1. 2025 Yamaha YZF-R1. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Yamaha YZF-R1, a machine that's redefining superbike performance and tech in 2026. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 R1 carries Yamaha's aggressive MotoGP DNA with sleeker aerodynamics, sharper lines, and a more compact LED headlight design. The new matte and gloss paint combos add a futuristic edge, making it a head-turner on both track and street. Engine and performance. Powered by an updated 998 cubic centimeters cross-plane inline-4 engine, Yamaha has refined the internals for better heat management and smoother power delivery. It still pumps out over 200 HP, but now with improved mid-range torque and a lighter overall weight, making it more agile and responsive than ever. Tech and features. The 2026 R1 is packed with tech: a new 7-inch full-color TFT dash, enhanced ride modes, cornering ABS, quick shifter, slide control, and the latest Yamaha Ride Control (YRC) system. And yes, it's now compatible with Yamaha's smartphone app for tuning and diagnostics. Ride and handling. With upgraded Öhlins semi-active suspension and lighter chassis components, the R1 feels incredibly planted in corners and razor-sharp on straights. Whether you're carving track apexes or cruising the backroads, it's more intuitive and confidence-inspiring. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha YZF-R1 isn't just an update, it's a leap forward. Performance, tech, and styling have all evolved, keeping it at the top of the superbike game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews right here on Bike Review Hub. Ride safe and see you next time. Number 2. The 2026 CBR 650R gets a sharp redesign inspired by the Fireblade. It features a more aggressive front end, sleeker fairings, and updated LED lighting. The new color schemes, especially the stealthy matte black and bold red, give it a premium, race-ready vibe. Engine and performance. At its heart is the same trusted 649 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, but Honda has fine-tuned it for smoother throttle response and slightly better mid-range torque. It still delivers around 95 horsepower, making it perfect for spirited rides without being overwhelming. New tech and features. For 2026, the CBR 650R comes with a new 5-inch full-color TFT display, complete with Bluetooth connectivity and navigation support. Honda has also added a refined traction control system, assist and slipper clutch, and an optional quick shifter, giving it a modern, connected feel. Comfort and ride quality. With a relaxed riding position, improved seat cushioning, and Showa SFBP front forks, the CBR 650R remains one of the most comfortable bikes in its class. Whether you're commuting, carving canyons, or doing weekend rides, it delivers confidence and comfort. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda CBR 650R isn't just a looker, it's a smart, smooth, and stylish middleweight that ticks all the boxes for everyday riders and weekend warriors. And number 3. The Beast Reborn, the 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa. And trust us, this one's a game changer. Design and style. The 2026 Hayabusa keeps its iconic silhouette but adds sleeker lines, aerodynamic winglets, and aggressive LED lighting. Suzuki has refined the bodywork for better airflow, making this Busa not just a rocket, but a head-turner on any street. Engine and performance. Under the hood, it packs the legendary 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4, now fine-tuned with lightweight internals and a remapped ECU. You get smoother power delivery, better fuel efficiency, and yes, it still hits that jaw-dropping top speed that made it famous. Technology and features. The Busa now comes fully loaded, a 7-inch TFT display, Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS, launch control, cruise control, cornering ABS, and an updated quick shifter. It's futuristic, fast, and fiercely intelligent. Ride and handling. With revised suspension and improved weight distribution, the 2026 Hayabusa feels planted in corners and smooth at high speeds. Whether you're touring or tearing up the track, it delivers unmatched control. The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa isn't just fast, it's refined, intelligent, and made for the modern rider. Suzuki has honored its legacy while pushing boundaries once again. And number 4. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a symphony of speed, engineering, and raw power. Design and aerodynamics. Kawasaki has taken the already iconic H2R and refined it further. The 2026 model features updated carbon fiber bodywork, enhanced aerodynamics, and sharper winglets for even more stability at extreme speeds. The aggressive lines scream performance, and every detail serves a purpose. Engine and performance. Under the hood, it's still packing that legendary 998 cubic centimeters supercharged inline-4 engine, now optimized for better thermal efficiency and response. With over 320 horsepower, the H2R remains untouchable on the track. Kawasaki's engineers have fine-tuned the electronics, offering smoother power delivery and better ride modes. Technology and features. The 2026 H2R includes a new 7-inch TFT display, improved traction control, cornering ABS, and Kawasaki's latest AI-assisted performance tuning. It's not just fast, it's smart. Remember, the H2R is not street legal. This machine is built purely for the track. Its raw sound, carbon frame, and race-ready suspension make it a dream for any serious rider. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is still the king of hyperbikes. It's bold, brutal, and brilliantly engineered. And the number 5, the beast from Aprilia, the 2026 RSV4 Factory. Is this the ultimate superbike of the year? Let's find out. Design and aerodynamics. The 2026 RSV4 Factory keeps its aggressive styling but with sharper aero wings, improved airflow channels, and a more compact tail section. The MotoGP-inspired design isn't just for looks, it's crafted for pure performance at high speed. Engine and performance. Under the fairings lies a refined 1099 cubic centimeters V4 engine pushing out 225 horsepower. Aprilia tweaked the combustion chamber and ECU mapping, offering smoother delivery and higher revs. Expect a thrilling ride whether on the track or twisty roads. Tech and electronics. Aprilia's latest electronics suite returns: ride-by-wire, multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, and a 6-axis IMU. New for 2026? Predictive traction control and AI-assisted launch optimization. It learns your riding style. The RSV4 Factory's aluminum frame is lighter and stiffer. Öhlins Smart EC3 Zero suspension adjusts in real time, and the Brembo Stylema brakes offer incredible stopping power. Handling is razor sharp. This bike turns like it's reading your mind. Starting at around $26,000, the 2026 RSV4 Factory is not cheap, but it delivers superbike excellence. If you crave track DNA in a street-legal machine, this is it. Thanks for watching Bike Review Hub. Like, subscribe, and let us know. See you in the next ride.